Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Sierra and I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So I have a goal to get monetized by the end of this year. This is where we are right now. We got a long way to go, but I believe that we can do it. Liking, commenting, and subscribing really helps my channel grow. So if you guys could do that, you're awesome, but if not, it's totally okay. No pressure. Okay, so I'm kind of whispering right now because my boyfriend is in the other room and he just woke up. Like, I went in there to get scissors and he woke up. So I got the tattoo, like fake tattoo stickers. I gotta cut it out and I'm gonna put it right here on my wrist. So I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, that way you can't see it and you won't suspect anything, because sometimes I come in the bathrooms in the mornings. He knows nothing about it. He has no idea what's going on. He has no idea what I'm doing in here. The only thing that I've done is the past few days I've been kind of like mentioning getting a tattoo and like how there's a tattoo shop right next to my like work. Oh, if I were to get a tattoo, I'd get like a dainty little heart just like these are. Oh my god, is he coming? Okay, no, we're good. I just locked the door in case he were to come in. I don't have to worry about it. I didn't even think about that. So let's go ahead and put this tattoo on. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay guys, I just put the fake tattoo on. It looks so cute. This is gonna make me actually want to get one. So I'm gonna cover this up, go back in there, act like nothing happened, and we'll get him to react to it.
Let's go have some fun.
Hi, Bob. What you doing? What was that? Okay. Bye. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Paul.
How you doing? You excited to go get coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited for a bomb filming day?
I don't know if excited is the word for it. I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
Faja! Father, look. What does it look like?
Looks like a heart tattoo.
What do you think?
It looks like a heart tattoo.
Yeah?
Hmm?
Do you like it?
I mean, it's cute.
Uh-huh. It's fake.
Yeah.
I'm doing a prank on Chase. I'm gonna make him think that it's real.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you think it was real?
It looks real.
Did you think it was real?
I don't think you put it. I don't think you get a tattoo.
Really?
No, I don't believe it. I didn't believe it.
Okay. It was your mom. Hey, Mom. I gotta show you something. Okay, come here. Mom, come here.
No, I look bad.
It's okay. You'll be fine.
You can't tell me because I'm not
Mom,
doing
come
this.
here. Come on.
I'm not doing this with me looking like this.
You look fine.
No, I don't. I just took all my makeup off. I ain't got no makeup.
Please. Mom, I gotta go outside. Jesus is waiting. Please. Okay, look.
Okay.
What does it look like?
A heart.
A heart what?
Tattoo.
Do you like it?
I do.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
No, I missed it. Maybe it got it. I don't know, but did you think it was real, Mom?
I could redo it.
Well, come here, because my camera's about to die.
I can like fake it really bad. Can you let me put a little bit of something on my eyes?
No, Mom. I literally, the camera's about to die. Oh my god. You're such a diva. The camera, like, I looked back and it said it wasn't recording, so I don't know if it got the reaction, but she said it was cute.
I like it.
Did you think it was real or no?
Yeah.
You thought it was real?
Mm-hmm. I think it's cute.
But it's fake.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, Bob, sit down.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
On purpose.
I am.
Okay.
This is a little bright. So. Huh.
What is this about? Oh my god.
I gotta show you something.
Okay.
And I haven't told you about it. but I've mentioned it a couple times.
Okay.
So, I wanted to show you and get your reaction on camera.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No.
I got a tattoo.
No, you didn't.
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't.
I got a tattoo.
No, you didn't.
Remember I sent you the picture of the tattoo place on my way to work?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I got it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did! Do you like it? Is it cute?
Why did you get a tattoo?
Do you like it? You hate it! Babe, you don't like it?
No, I like it.
Babe!
That's just what made you want to get a tattoo.
I don't know, I thought it was cute.
Okay.
Do you not like it?
I just feel like you wouldn't get a tattoo though.
What do you mean?
Because you are so against them.
I'm not against tattoos. I like tattoos. You thought about getting a tattoo?
I know, and you were so against it.
No, I mean, like I told you, if I was gonna get one, it'd be like a dainty, cute one. And it would be like a little heart or something. And like, that's what that is. And I think it's... Babe, you don't like it.
I'm just still trying to figure out if it's real or not.
Babe, why wouldn't it be real?
When'd you get it?
I got it, well, I was trying to hide it from you.
Mm-hmm.
So when you were like moving and stuff, when you were like super busy and we weren't talking and I was kind of upset, I went and got it and didn't tell you. Bye.
What? I know. It's so ridiculous.
It's fake.
I know, because if you got it Saturday, you would have had to have wrapped it up and not, like, anything.
I didn't say I got it Saturday.
You said you got it while I was moving.
Like after. Like when you were unboxing everything, like after I went, remember I was upset. But yeah, I got it off of Etsy. It was supposed to be a prank video. Isn't it cute though? Like it makes me want to get one. Look how cute that is. Do you think it was real?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You said, why'd you get a tattoo?
Well, I was asking because if it is real, what made you, like, what possessed you to get a tattoo? Because it wasn't your idea. Someone would have been like, oh, you should get that as a tattoo. And you'd be like, oh yeah, okay.
I got you a minute. Admit it.
At the end.
Yeah.
Because you just kept saying you got one.
Right.
It's like,
what would you do? What if it was real? What would you do?
well, then you would just have a tattoo. I mean, there's nothing we can do about it.
Do you like it though? Like
I
if I
mean-
were to get that, would you be like okay with it?
Yeah, you're shaking.
I'm scared. But yeah, I wanted to see your reaction if I got one. Because I don't know if I would, like I said, I'm not against tattoos, but I probably wouldn't. I'd prank my dad too, and my mom. But my dad, I was like, what does that look like? He was like, a tattoo? A heart tattoo? And I was like, what do you think? He was like, I like it. And I was like, it's fake. He's like, yeah. He's like, because I don't think you would get a tattoo.
Right.
Yeah, I
That's
just
the
don't
thing.
seem like the person
You're
to get a
just
tattoo.
so adamant about not having one.
That's because I want to be like it's so mainstream to have a tattoo now. Like I want to be different. I want to be that person that doesn't have one. Besides this fake one. I love you.
I love you.
I'm sorry for pranking you. I feel bad. I just think it's a good video.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. I love you.
Okay. I love you too.
Okay.